Sixth question. Using section formula, show that the points A of 7, minus 5, B of 9, minus 3 and C of 13, 1 are collinear. So, 3 points are given. We should prove these points are collinear. So, collinear means these 3 points lie on a straight line. Okay. So, we find the distance of AB, BC and AC. Then sum of any two distance is equal to the third distance. Then the points are collinear. Suppose if it is not equal, then it is not collinear. Let us prove. What is the distance formula? Section formula. Section formula means not only mx2 plus nx1 divided by m plus n. Midpoint formula also section formula. Distance formula also section formula. Okay children. So now we find the distance between these 2 points. So what is the distance formula? D is equal to square root of x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. So now we find the distance of AB first. So A of 7, minus 5 as x1 y1. Then B of 9, minus 3 as x2 y2. Now we find the distance of AB, that is equal to square root of x2 9 x1 minus 7 the whole square plus y2 minus 3 minus of minus 5 plus 5 the whole square, that is equal to square root of 9 minus 7 2 square plus minus 3 plus 5 2 square, that is equal to square root of 2 square 4 2 square 4, that is equal to square root of 8. So 8 we split into 2 factors, 4 into 2, that is equal to square root of 4 into square root of 2, that is equal to square root of 4 means 2, so 2 root 2. Next we take the points BC. So B of 9, minus 3 as x1 y1 and C of 13, 1 as x2 y2. Now we find the distance of BC is equal to square root of x2 13 minus 9 the whole square plus 1 minus of minus 3 plus 3 the whole square is equal to square root of 13 minus 9 4 square plus 1 plus 3 4 square, that is equal to square root of 4 square 16 plus 4 square 16, that is equal to 32. So 32 we split into 2 numbers, 16 into 2. In the 2 numbers, one number should be greatest perfect square. Okay children, because 8 4s are also 32, but we don't take that 8 into 4 and then again we split into that 8. So we take 16 into 2 because 16 is a perfect square. So that is equal to root 16 into root 2. So root 16 answer is 4. So 4 root 2. Next we take the points AC. So A of 7, minus 5 and C of 13, 1. So this as x1 y1, this as x2 y2. So AC is equal to square root of x2 13 minus 7 the whole square plus 1 minus of minus 5 plus 5 the whole square, that is equal to square root of 13 minus 7 6 the whole square plus 1 plus 5 6 square. So 36 plus 36, that is equal to square root of 72. So 72 we write it as 36 into 2. So square root of 36 square root of 2 equal to 6 root 2. So now we add AB plus BC, we get AC. 2 root 2 plus 4 root 2 is equal to 6 root 2. Therefore, the given points are collinear. Suppose if this is not equal, then these points are not collinear.